Talking about Altenar's terminals, I can think of several features that make it stand out of the competitors. The first one that comes to my mind is the easiness of the installation and the updates. With the new technology that we implemented and the new release of notifications, the operators will receive an email notification every time there's a new release, and they will update the software as easy as just one click. Then another feature that comes to my mind is that the terminal is connected to a robust backend. What this allows the operators is to manage multiple terminals from a single back office access, and not to track only financial performance or number of beds, but also allowing them to check the application performance in general, like RAM usage, CPU usage, and also keeping track, for example, of the ink status and how the different hardwares are working in the terminal. I strongly believe the new terminal will enhance the customer experience, and the reason why is because we bring the whole concept of the localization to the terminals as well. So we build the front end with different shortcuts to the competitions that the audience is more keen to placing bets on, and what this makes is essentially making the whole bet placement process way smoother.